human heart is located in the chest cavity between the two lungs, a little to the left of the center of the human body. It is conical in shape. The heart of a human being is the size of his clenched fist. It is a bag of muscles responsible for pumping blood filled with oxygen and other nutrients throughout the body. The human heart beats 72 times in a minute. It works continuously without getting tired. Lungs. All living organisms breathe in and breathe out air. Breathing in is known as inhalation. Breathing out is known as exhalation. Once inhaled, the air reaches the lungs. In the lungs, it is exchanged for impure air, which is then exhaled. Human body has two lungs, located on either side of the heart in the chest cavity. The nose and the windpipe form the passage for the air to move in and out of the lungs. Like the heart, the rib cage also protects the lungs. Fill in the blanks by dragging and dropping the appropriate options. Very good. Digestive organs. Like machines, human body also requires fuel to perform work. The food that we eat every day serves as the fuel for our body. The food eaten by a human being is broken down into smaller pieces to obtain energy. This process is called digestion. Some main organs that help in digestion are liver, stomach, small and large intestines. Let us now understand the functions of these organs.